A very good afternoon to all my dear students. So today we are going to start the next practice set of our first chapter, that is something practice set 1.3. So here in this practice set we are going to learn the decimal representation of the rational number. For that first we need to know the two terms, that is terminating and the non-terminating. So now I will explain which numbers are called as the terminating number या terminating rational numbers या which are called as the non-terminating rational numbers, and how to identify whether the given rational numbers are terminating or not. So now here first example, suppose I am given is nothing but is what 3 upon 5. The rational number is nothing but what 3 upon 5. So here what you have to do, we have to carry the division, and in case of if the remainder is 0, then if in these divisions if we get the remainder 0, so the process of division is going to end here. So when we get the remainder as a 0 in the division, so that time that numbers that fraction is said to be the terminating. And if we do not get the remainder 0 and there is one certain numbers one digit, it is repeated again and again, and at the end we get the unending remainder, means at the place of remainder we are getting some numbers one single number single digit. So the such a division is called as the non-terminating. So here first example I will explain you with the help of example. There is what 3 upon 5. So here it means what denominator is what 5. It means what with the 5 we have to divide the 3, but if you know that the 3 is smaller than the 5 and here the divisor 5 is bigger than the dividend, so that in such a case what you have to do means what if the if the denominator is bigger than numerator, so first in the divisions we have to carry the 0. So here first I am going to carry the 0. It means what we are going to, because 5 into 0 we are getting 0, it means what we are going to divide 3 by the 0. So here minus sign, so 3 minus 0 is nothing but what 3. So now again we are getting 3. So what we are going to do, we are going to add the quotient place, we are going to carry the decimal point, we are going to give here point, and just because we carry here point, so downstairs what we are going to carry, we are going to carry the 0. So because of this we are getting the bigger number than the divisor. So now this 3 become what 30. Why? Because here we carry the 0. So now 13 5 table 6 when 30 when come 5 6 are 5 1 are 5 5 2 are 10 5 3 are 15 5 4 are 20 5 5 are 25 5 6 are 30, means 5 6 are what we are getting 30. So here we carry 6, 5 6 are 30, so that we wrote here and the minus sign. So 30 minus 0 minus 0, 3 minus 3 0. So here what divides are here, if you observe, so here remainder we are getting 0. So when we carry the division of the rational numbers and if remainder we are getting 0, then such a rational number is said to be the terminating form of the rational number, we can say the terminating decimal form. So here the terminating decimal, so this is the terminating. So what is the terminating decimal form of this number is nothing but what 3 upon 5, means in the form of the decimal numbers how we are going to write down, it is nothing but what 0.6. So here it means what this fraction, this rational number is nothing but the terminating number, and the terminating decimal form of this rational number is nothing but what 0.6. So terminating decimal form means what, ये जो fraction है वो fraction in terms of the decimals we are going to write down 0.6. Getting? So now in short what you have to write, keep in mind, terminating decimal numbers means what, if we are getting remainder 0, so that number is called as the terminating, and the whatever the quotient we will get, that quotient is nothing but the terminating decimal form of that number. So now next we are going to see the non-terminating. So now here again what denominator is what 6 and the numerator is what 5. So it means what we have to divide 5 by the 6. So here 5 and here 6. So again 6 is bigger than 5. So first we carry 0. We divide by the 0. So 6 into 0 is what? 0. So 5 as it is. Then what? We give the point, and then when we give the point, so downstairs we can carry 0, so we carry 0 here. So 6 5s are, so in 6 tables we have to find such a number which is near to the 50. So for your understanding, you can write down here 6 tables. So here I wrote the 6 table. So now which number is near to the 50? So near to the 50 is nothing but, and the less than 50 is nothing but what? 48. So 6 8s are 48. So here we are going to give the 8. So what we are getting? 6. So here we are getting 48. 6 8s are 48. So write down here. So 50 minus 40 is nothing but what? 2. So now again we are getting remainder. So suppose again we carry 0. So now see here we gave the point. So there is nothing, there is no need to again give point here. Once you give the point, then you can carry 0. You can infinitely carry the 0 to the division. So now in 6 table, when the 20 comes, 20 is not there, but it is what? 18. So it is nothing but what? 6 3s are 18. So again 0, again we carry, so again 6 3s are 18. Again what is remaining? 0. Again 6 3s are 18. Again we are getting 2. It means what? If here you are going to see this division, so every time we are getting the remainder 2. So it means what? Again suppose here we carry 0, so again here we are quotient place we are going to 3, because 6 3s are 18. It means what? Here the division, is a unending, and that's why here either we will get a single digit or group of digit, and that is nothing but, if you observe here which digit we are getting, here we are getting 2, and after a certain step that 2 is again repeated, and we are getting the सेम क्वेश्चन सबस्ट्रैक्ट, दैट इज नथिंग बट 3 3. अगर ये सपोज हम आगे भी कर दी, तो यहाँ पे हमें 3 3 मिलने वाला, और नीचे वी आर गेटिंग द रिमाइंडर 2 ओनली. सो दैट्स व्हाई this type of division is called as this fraction is called as the non-terminating. So how we are going to write down in forms of the decimal number. जिस तरह से इसको हमने decimal form में लिया, so how this divisions, how this number, rational numbers, we are going to write down into the decimal number. So that we are going to write down, see here, 5 upon 6 is equals to, quotient is what? 0.8333, and the division is continuous, so you have to give the dotted sign. It means what? This division of this fraction is unending, because it is the non-terminating, and this form of this decimal form of the rational number is called as the non-terminating. So here you can write down like this, or you are going to say write down like this also. 5 upon 6 is equals to 0.83, and below this 3 you can give the single dot. Yeah, you can show the 0.83, and you can, on the head of the 3 you can show the dot. Yeah, you can show the dash. This represent, it means what? This 3, it means what? In this fraction, the division of this irrational numbers, the decimal form of the rational number is having the unending, and after the 3, again here in the answer again the 3 is going to repeat here, and same here also this 3 is the again repeating and repeating. If you see here, you can see, तो इसमें क्या है, ये 3 अगेन वहाँ से आगे रिपीट होते जा रहा है. सो दैट्स वाई वी शो दिस डॉट एंड वी शो दिस वन डैश. Clear? I hope all of you understood. So now what in short you have to learn how to, so basic what you have to keep in your mind, the decimal representation of numbers you have to shown by this one. In this style, if the question, they will ask you the questions, write down the following rational numbers in the decimal form. So decimal form, if they say decimal form, so you have to carry the division, and whatever the question will come, that you have to write down below. Now we are going to see the another sum. That is question number 1 from the practice set 1.3. And just keep one more thing, keep in mind. Agar suppose reminder you are getting 0, so you have to write down the decimal from like this, and that time there is no need to show the dot या the dash on the head because it is the full divisions. यहाँ पे हमें reminder we are getting 0, but when we have to put the dot या this dotted line या the dash, when the we are not getting the reminder 0, and that division is the unending, and after the certain step of the division there is one number is repeated there again and again. So now the next practice set 1.3 question number 1. So here what question is, write the following rational numbers in a decimal form. So these rational numbers we have to write down into the decimal form. So here the denominator is what, 37, it means it is our divisor, and the numerator is what, 9, so it is our dividend. So here divisor write down here, dividend write down here. So now see 37 is smaller than 9, 37 is bigger than 9. So first what we are going to divide by the 0. So 37 into 0 is what, 0. So what is remaining, 9 minus 0, 0. Next what we give the point and we carry 0. So 90. So now see here we need to do the, here for that you know to 37 table, and it is, I know it is very difficult to learn the 37 table. So by using this type of multiplication you can create the 37 tables and write down here. I have the another method. So that method is nothing but what, number is what, divisor is what, 37. So write down the 3 and 7 table. The 3's table first we are going to suppose write down 3's table. Now see here 37 is given, so you have to write down the 3's table and 7's tables. So I will, in the shortcut method I am going to explain how to create a 37's table. So now here what you have to do, here at the unit place ये जो second number है उसके unit place whatsoever numbers, that all the numbers you have to write down. So unit place here in the second number, that is what, second number is what, 7. So 7 के table में on the second unit place whatever the numbers are there, that all the numbers we have to write down. So those numbers are nothing but what, 7, 4, 1, 8, 5 means this number. 2, 9, 6, 3 and the 0. So here 6, 3 and 0. Then after that here only single digit is there, so that as it is you have to write down. So here it is what, 3. So 3, 6 as it is. Now 6, here 6 is there. So now this 6 and this 1 is remaining. So their additions you have to write down here. So 6 plus 1 is what, 7. Then 9 plus 2, 9. 10, 11. Then 12 plus 2, 14. 15 plus 3, 18. 18 plus 4, 19, 20, 21, 22. 21 plus 4, 25. See, 22, 23, 24, 25. Then 24 plus 5, 29. And then 27 and plus 6. 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33. And here, see, 30 plus 7. 30 plus 7 is what? 37. So like this we create a table, and if you verify, see, you can check here 37 into 3 we are getting 111. So that, see, every time to do the 37 into 3, so it is this type of a multiplication is going to take time. So here in the shortcut method I just explain you this one. So here we get all the tables of the 37. So now here 90. So here it is what, reminder we are getting 90. So in 37's table which number is less than 90 or equal to 90? So it is nothing but what, 74, and it comes what, 2s are. So here we are going to say 2s are what, 74, and minus sign. So 10 minus 4 is nothing but what, 6, and 9 minus 7, carry 1 here. 9 minus 8 is 8 minus 7 is nothing but what? 1. So now here 16 again less than this, so we carry again 0. Why we take 0? Because point decimal point is already given to the question. So 160. Now see the number less than 160. It is nothing but what? It is nothing but what? 148. And it comes a when? It comes a 4 so 4 37, 4 is what? 148 minus sign. So again 2 carry 1. 6 minus 5 is not. So now here 5 minus 4 is what? 1, and here 0, so I can carry 0. So now next one, 120. 120 is near to what? 111, and it is what? 3 means 37 3s are 111. So 37 3 is what? 111 minus sign. So here what we are getting? 10 minus 1, 9, here 0, again 0, again we are getting 90. So 90, after we are getting 19, what? Same here. So it is what? 17 2s are 37 2s are. So 2s are what? 74 minus sign. Here what? 6 1. Next what? Suppose carry 0. So now if you observe, so here what happened? Here this 160, so 160 already come here, means these divisions again going to repeat here. Again downstairs at the end what? Like this we are getting the 9 only. If you want to, we will carry. So here again what? 60. 160 is what? Near to the 4s. So it means what? 4s 148 minus, so here 2, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5 is what? 1 0, again 0. So 120 is near to what? It is near to 111. It is 3s. So it is 111, and again what we are getting? 0 0, and here 9, means again we are into, it means what? In this division 2 4 3 2 4 3 means this numbers 2 4 3 is going to repeat again and again. So now, and the here at the end remainder we are getting the 9 only. It means what? After 9 the division is going to repeat it, and the questions are going to repeat. So the decimal form, how we are going to write down? First write down the rational number. So it is what? 99 upon 37. So that form what we are getting? 0.2432, again 32 after what? 4 3. So it means, and this is unending, so we are going to write down this one. So that is nothing but equals to what? Now here there is no space, so I am going to write down here. So it is nothing but what? Which numbers are repeated here? 2 4 3. So that 2 4 3, these numbers are repeated, so that numbers we are going to show with the help of the dash. So therefore the decimal form of that number 19 upon 37 is nothing but what? 0.43, and 243 we are going to give the dash, because these three numbers are repeated. If you see, you will understood. All of you understood? I hope everyone understood. So remaining all the sum is your homework. And suppose here the reminder we are getting 0, so there is no need to show give this dash. Yeah, give this undefinite line.